Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to change language in Pokémon TCG Pocket. So for that, make sure your device is connected to an internet service and also make sure that the Pokémon TCG Pocket is completely up to date. Now then, you want to open the Pokémon TCG Pocket and log into your account. As logged in, you will then be directed to the home page, which will look something like this. Right over here at the bottom right hand side corner, click the menu bar once again and you could see this pop-up window. From the pop-up window, you want to go ahead and click on the other section, and when you go to others, you want to go ahead and click on settings. When you go to the settings section, you want to scroll down right to the bottom, and then you have these country and region, or you also have language selection, right? So underneath I have English selected at the moment. Now then, you just want to click on it and you have these options. There are not many options, as you can see it's only limited. You could go ahead and change it accordingly. So to change it, just click on the particular language and click the OK button at the bottom, and you'll be able to change language in Pokémon TCG Pocket successfully. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.